Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can use Instagram's newest feature or one of the coolest feature called Add Yours. Basically, Add Yours is a way to create chains of stories or threads of stories. You create a story and then you add a sticker called Add Yours. In this way your friends can reply to your stories or you can reply to your friends' stories. Now let's show in detail how you can do that. Of course, we have to start Instagram. On the top right hand side, let's tap on plus icon. And when I tap on plus icon, I have to go to the story, not reels, live, or post, as you can see in the bottom. And here I don't want to send a video, but I want to create a text story basically. And in my text story I will just say, okay, don't make stupid people famous. This is my text that I want to send, and I will say, after I write this, I will say next. Okay, when I come here on the top right hand side, fourth from the left, third from the right, I will tap on stickers. Okay, when I tap on stickers, as you can see, the new sticker is Add Yours. I will add mine, and I will say quote of the day. Quote of the day. I want my friends to send their quote of the day. I want my friends to send their quotes, and I will say done, and I will put it here. And if I post it to my story, my friends can put their famous quotes or favorite quotes and reply to my story in this way, and I will select to my story. Yes, now it is gone, and in this way I have created an Add Yours sticker in my stories. I'll wait and see which friends reply to this story. Okay, that's it. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe our channel.